I think I got 3 of them wrong the first attempt. So I just had 3 questions on it.
Ah, okay. I have completed it, but have not submitted because I don't understand the question. So I was hoping for you guys to help me with this. But
yeah, I can help you with anything that isn't. I can help you with anything that isn't 8, 17, or 18. Those are the ones I got wrong.
8, 17, and 18. Okay. The one that I didn't answer is 16.
Is 16? Okay, let me pull that up.
Okay.
Sorry, I exited out of it and I didn't realize.
Okay.
Okay, so for number 16, the question was find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70. So did you get the score for 0.6?
Yeah, let me look for it.
What Z-score did you get?
On 0.6. A ver, but
sorry, that was for question 13. They wanted you to find the Z-score for 0.6.
I got 0.762.
Okay, so that was the answer for 14, but the Z-score is computed by taking 0.6 minus 0.65 divided by 0.07.
Okay.
So if you find that, if you go through and do that, then you get negative 0.7143. And if you plug that into the probability applet, sorry, let me share my screen.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, wow, that is not good, whatever just happened. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, let me find it. So if you plug the Z-score into this applet, which is 0.7143, if you plug that in, and all it wants you to do is find what this highlighted middle part is. So you take the highlight, the blue highlight off of every part except for the middle.
Okay.
And it wants you to find what's between 0.6, which this is the Z-score for 0.6, the negative 0.714, and what's between 0.7, which this is the Z-score for 0.7, the 0.714.
Okay.
So by highlighting this, it gives us the area between, which is up here 0.5248. And the answer is 0.525. because it wants you to round to 3 decimals.
So 5. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh man, I did the weird thing again. Just ignore my screen.
25.
So, did you have other questions?
Can you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, could you say that one more time?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have other questions?
No, that was the only one.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know if you know how to get the 17 and 18.
17.
I tried going back and watching the video for the preparation assignment, and I thought I did it the way he explained it, but I still got it wrong.
What was your answer for 17? Your wrong answer.
So
minus,
what I did to get the answer for 17 was I came in the normal probability applet, and in the video, in this video, he says he uses a 10% then, but he says since it's a smaller percentage, you only highlight this first part. So I did that. I highlighted the first part and I did 0.3. Let me see. 35 for the 35th percentile. And then I entered it. And the z-score that you get is negative 0.385. So that's what I put here.
Okay.
And then for the other one, I just did the same thing. It wants the It wants the 80th percentile. And so I just highlighted both of these, and I did 0.8, and I took this z-score.
Yeah. Okay. I just submitted my, and I got correct answers in 17 and 18, and your z-score is correct, but I think the problem is in the formula. I made in Excel, I put like a formulario, I don't know how to say that. I put the numbers and just click typing the inputs, and then I get the score. And the first one, number 17, let me see how I can share my screen. Okay, here it is. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let me read again so I can understand what the question is asking for. Okay, find the 35 percentile. Okay, so here is my Excel. So here I type in the z-score, which is the number that you got, the minus 0.385. This is the standard deviation, and the mean. So the question is asking for the value, which is 0.623. I got this formula by multiplying the z-score times, okay, yeah, here, I'm multiplying the z-score times the standard deviation, and then I add the mean. I got this formula by changing the original formula.
Oh. That makes so much more sense. I just didn't finish the process.
Yeah, and by doing this, this templates help me a lot. So this is the answer for number 17, and the one that asked for the 80 percentile. Okay, 0.80. So I got a 0.42 for the z-score, and I use this in the table that I did on Excel. So 0.842, and the answer for the last one is 0.709, which is right here. Correct. This.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that makes so much more sense.
Mm-hmm.
I did have one more question that I got wrong. If you can help me with it. It was number 8.
Number 8. Okay. Okay, this it says according to the 6 data, what percentage of the data from will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean? What I did here was just to enter the number 1. Okay, let me go to this. Okay, it says the question says that what's the percentage from 1 standard deviation from the mean. So I understood that the z-score would be 1. So when I click on 1, can you see my screen? Mm-hmm.
I see where I went wrong. I was just reading the help that says write your answer as a percentage. I was reading that backwards. I was reading it to write it as a decimal instead of a percentage.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a silly mistake. That's my bad.
Okay, okay.
Did you have any more that you wanted to talk about? Now that you've submitted it, because it does give you 2 attempts.
Yeah, I don't know why I got wrong number 10.
Number 11, you mean?
No, 10. Sorry, 11. Yeah, 11.
Okay. Let me share my screen and I'll show you what I did. So for number 11, I got, you're just 1 number off. So you put 0.977 and it's 0.997.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you know how to get it. Let me see if I can. So you just enter in, we want the z-score to be 1.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, yeah, we want the z-score to be 1. And then, actually, how did I figure that one out?
Mm-hmm.
It was 0.997. Oh, I remember. It's because in the rule, let's see. I have way too many things open. In the rule, it says the 99 point. Doesn't it say 99.7 is the rule?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you just move the 2 decimals over, and that gives you 0.997.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
What was your other? Did you have another one you wanted to look at?
Let me see. No.
Okay. I don't see Craig.
Yeah.
I'm gonna post the. I'll post the link, so hopefully he gets it. But we'll see what happens. Did you see him pop on here at all?
Come on. Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah. Did you see him get on the Hangout at all?
Nope.
Okay. Well, I think we can call that good, and Will said he sent his answers earlier today. So.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Daniel. I'll see you on Monday.
Thank you, Jessica, for your time. See you on Monday. I just have another quick question. Will you ¿cómo se llama? Discussion board, the link that William sent us from his own, because he couldn't attend?
Yeah, I'll post the links to the recording once I finish broadcasting.
Okay. Okay. Well, thanks a lot, Jessica. See you.
You have a good one. Bye.